Hello everybody. I picked up this Vizio 50-inch 4K smart TV for free on Craigslist. It's a model M50-C1 and it's the M6SRAR series. That's important when you're procuring parts. And I'm going to see if I can figure out what's happening. It has a blank screen. It's completely dead. So I suspect it's either the main board or the power supply. So let me turn it on, let's see what's happening. Light comes on. And then it fades off. It's off. And so let me try to power it on one more time. One blink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is my understanding that Vizio does not have any blink codes. So the fact that I have 1 in 15 or 1 in 16 or any combination of blink codes is, according to the research I've done, meaningless. But at least I thought I would show you the symptoms I had and what appeared to fix it, although you may get the same blink code and have a totally different problem. I have the back of the set off. When you first plug the unit in, watch the circuit board. The light on the circuit board turns purple, and the power light turns on, and then that light turns red and the power light dims down. One more time, unplugged. Plug it in, light turns purple, light turns red, and the power light comes on. Power light dims down and goes off. The second symptom, notice the power light is red. If I press the power button on, this light turns on. Dims down again. If I press it again, we're still purple over here. I think I have to turn it on twice. If I turn it on one more time, that light is red now. Power indicator blinked once, and then 15 blinks, just as I had shown you earlier from the front. After the 16 blinks, that light up here turned red again. See if I can demonstrate it one more time. One blink, we're purple over here. Dims down. We're still purple. Power button twice. One blink. 15 blinks. We're still purple up here right now. Watch this light right here. So we completed 16 blinks here, and we're red. So those are the symptoms. Also worth noting. First replacement board that I received was the incorrect part number, and it gave me a picture that looked like this. But the good news is that the backlights are on and I've got a partial picture. So I returned that board. When I plugged the second board I received in, I've got a red and blue LED on, but the board is completely unresponsive to any commands from the remote or from the on-off switch. So I will wait for a third board to arrive, and hopefully three's the charm. I just received my third board from a really outstanding eBay seller. The first board they sent me was the wrong part number. Apparently the shipping department got two orders mixed up. The second board they sent me did not work. I received it on a Saturday. I live on the East Coast. I sent a return request to the seller to replace it on Saturday. They are in California. And Monday I received my replacement board even before they received my returned board. So you can't do anything but praise them for their service and their speed and their customer focus. So the board's installed. I'm going to plug it in by turning on this power strip. So here's the starting sequence. When you plug it in, we get purple over here. Power light comes on here, that turns red. And then the power light dims down, so it's ready to turn on. It's in standby mode right now. If we hit the power button, the lights turn purple over here, power indicator comes on, and momentarily the backlights will turn on. There they are, the backlights are on. Let me just flip this up to confirm that. Yes, we have a no signal menu up. Notice we're purple over here. When we power everything off, backlights off, we're still purple over here, and that will remain purple for a while and change to red. So if this helped you or you found it at all interesting, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.